Chromebooks get you on the web as quickly as possible by eliminating the extra baggage between you and the web. With regular computers, actually getting onto the web can feel like it takes forever. There's the slow startup time, then you have to wait for the desktop to load, then lots of unnecessary programs start up, until finally you can fire up your web browser. Why not just skip all the clutter and cut to the chase? The web. Let's see how fast a Chromebook gets you onto the web. So, hit the on button, please. Wait about 10 seconds. Now log in. The web. That's about the time it takes to summarize Moby Dick in a tweet. An adventurous tale of the whaling ship Pequod and its captain Ahab, who relentlessly pursues the great Moby Dick to the ends of the earth. And once you're online, you're using the incredibly fast Chrome browser engine, so the web just runs faster. And waking your Chromebook from sleep happens almost instantly. Get the point? The web. Fast. Fast web. Fast web. Today's operating systems were created before the web even existed. The web's only been around since the 1990s. People weren't connected all the time, and neither were their computers. Chromebooks are created for people who live on the web. People like you. That's why every Chromebook has Wi-Fi, and many have 3G built in, with enough free data to get you started. 3G-enabled Chromebooks connect to the web using blazing fast mobile data networks, so you can access the web almost anywhere. From your office, to your home, on a cross-country flight, to the beach, to a fishing trip, to a taco truck. No matter where you are, you can stay connected to the web with your Chromebook. And for those rare moments when you're not connected, many apps are designed to keep you writing emails, listening to music, playing games, or even reading the news till you hop online again. With a Chromebook, you can always pick up right where you left off. Logging into your computer automatically logs you into all your Google services, like Gmail, Calendar, and Docs. Chrome also keeps your settings in sync between your Chromebook and all of your computers running the Chrome web browser. So whether you're at work or at home, all your bookmarks, extensions, and apps will be right there. There's also a guest mode so your friends can browse the web without signing in. But don't worry, they won't be able to access your email and other data. And when your friends are done, all their browsing information is automatically cleared. And even if you lose your Chromebook, it's easy to get back on your feet. Your documents, photos, and settings are always stored safely online. You can log into a new device or even borrow a friend's, and everything is just the way you left it. So no matter what happens to your Chromebook, your data will be safe and sound. The web today contains a lot more than just information. It's also full of web-based applications like Gmail and YouTube, the kind of apps a Chromebook is designed to run. You probably already know that you can share your photos on the web, but now there are sophisticated web applications that let you do much more, all online. There are apps for making presentations, creating visual art, video chatting, and much more. A growing number of these apps even work offline, for the rare times you're not connected to the web. So how do you find all of these amazing, powerful applications? The Chrome Web Store makes it easy. It's a single place where you can find new apps and games, read user reviews, and try them out instantly. Best of all, you don't have to load anything from a CD like you do on a normal computer. It all takes place inside your browser. And of course, you can still access all your favorite web apps right from the address bar. Chrome makes it even easier by showing suggestions as you type. So whether it's the latest or old favorites, you'll be able to find the apps that you're looking for. A Chromebook is a lot safer to use than a regular computer. It's designed to keep your browser secure and protect against the bad things that are out there on the web. On your Chromebook, each website and web application you open runs as a separate and independent process in a restricted environment called the sandbox. Sandboxing is a feature built right into the operating system to enhance security. Here's how it works. Let's say you open 3 different websites in 3 different tabs. Sandboxing keeps each website isolated from the others. So, if you open a website that's been infected by malware, they can't affect the other tabs in your browser or anything else in your machine. The threat is contained in one tab, and even if that tab crashes, the other tabs will continue to run normally. Every time you boot your Chromebook, it does a self-check called Verified Boot. If it detects that your OS has been tampered with or corrupted, the OS will be restored automatically from a known good backup. And if a backup is unavailable, you can download one yourself from the cloud. Your Chromebook will be as good as new as if nothing happened. And what's really great? Your Chromebook does everything on its own, with its built-in security features, keeping you and your data safe. So you can breathe just a little bit easier when you're out there on the web. Everyone likes to have the latest and greatest software, but nobody likes to be nagged to install updates to all the different apps on their computer. With your Chromebook, you get the latest software without all the nagging. Chromebooks run web apps which are delivered instantly from servers in the cloud, so you never need to load anything on your Chromebook. And when apps are updated, it happens behind the scenes, in the cloud, without you having to do anything. So whenever you open an app, you know you're using the most up-to-date version. Every Chromebook also maintains and updates itself. Every time you turn it on, it applies all the latest fixes and enhancements. All you have to do is use your Chromebook, and it takes care of everything else. So you can spend less time taking care of your computer and more time doing what you want to do. Life has become pretty complicated for IT managers and employees. Everybody juggles a fleet of different devices and operating systems, all running their own local applications and requiring endless cycles of patches and upgrades. All this complexity adds up to constant maintenance, less security, much higher costs, and headaches for users. Google realized that a better solution would be to make the web the platform for all these applications, so that they would simply work on any device running a browser. So we created Chromebooks, running the first operating system built and optimized for the web. Chromebooks securely access all of their data and apps on the web, which means manually configuring, updating, patching, migrating data, and securing PCs becomes a thing of the past. An entire fleet of Chromebooks is simple to configure and manage centrally through the web. Once configured, users have the applications and settings they need as soon as they log on, wherever they are. And since data and apps aren't stored on the PC, a lost computer won't mean the loss of any vital company data. Chromebooks are also fundamentally more secure than traditional PCs because they run in a sandboxed environment that restricts viruses and malware from reaching the operating system. And every time the Chromebook starts, it runs a process called verified boot that ensures the operating system has not been tampered with or corrupted. Most importantly, Chromebooks make users happier and more productive by getting them on the web quickly, where they can access apps, documents, and settings using the familiar Chrome browser. And thanks to up to 8 hours of battery life, Wi-Fi, and the option of built-in 3G, users are free to work wherever they are, perfect for mobile teams. With Chromebooks, computers will be simpler to manage, more secure, and easier for users to operate. Companies will write fewer checks for software licenses, complex hardware, and data recovery, and IT will spend less time on tedious maintenance tasks. Plus, Google will always be there to help by providing full-service support, including phone, email, and even hardware replacement. All this adds up to happier, more productive users and much lower costs.